Objective: to understand ionic bond formation with its examples. Chemical bond: the force of attraction that holds atoms or ions together in a molecule or a formula unit is called a chemical bond. Depending upon the mode of acquiring the stable electronic configuration, the chemical bonds can be majorly classified into three types: ionic bond or electrovalent bond, covalent bond, and coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. Let us know more about an ionic bond. Consider two atoms, sodium and chlorine. Sodium is highly electropositive or less electronegative. Chlorine is highly electronegative. Further, sodium atom should lose one electron and chlorine atom should gain one electron to attain their nearest stable noble gas configuration. When sodium atom comes closer to chlorine atom, due to high electronegative difference between them, one electron is completely transferred from sodium atom to chlorine atom. As a result, oppositely charged ions are formed. There exists a force of attraction that holds these two ions together, forming sodium chloride. This force of attraction that holds two oppositely charged ions together is called an ionic bond or electrovalent bond. In other words, the bond formed by complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom is called ionic bond or an electrovalent bond. The number of electrons transferred during an ionic bond formation is called electrovalency. Therefore, the electrovalency of sodium or chlorine is equal to 1. During the formation of calcium oxide, 2 electrons are transferred from calcium to oxygen. Therefore, the electrovalency of calcium or oxygen is 2. In general, an ionic bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms. One atom should have a tendency to lose electron or electrons, that is, electropositive in nature. The other atom should have a tendency to gain electrons, that is, electronegative in nature. Examples of ionic bond formation. During potassium chloride formation, one electron is transferred from potassium atom to chlorine atom. Sodium sulfide is formed by transfer of 2 electrons from 2 sodium atoms to 1 sulfur atom. Magnesium oxide is formed by the transfer of 2 electrons from magnesium atom to oxygen atom. 2 electrons are transferred from 1 magnesium atom to 2 fluorine atoms, and magnesium fluoride is formed. Complete transfer of 2 electrons from calcium atom to sulfur atom takes place during the formation of calcium sulfide. Let's summarize. This force of attraction that holds 2 oppositely charged ions together is called an ionic bond or electrovalent bond. The number of electrons transferred during an ionic bond formation is called electrovalency.